Welcome back, everyone. Give you a heads up. I did a bunch of wiring over the last couple weeks, so just like in the evenings here and there for the last 2 weeks, probably about 4 nights, 2 hours a night. So anyway, wanted to go over an update on where I'm at. The rear is basically coming along. I got the stereo in a 6-gang, toggle switches, speakers, USB and cigarette lighter, another speaker. Bottom I have to do. I put one of the fuse boxes, 12 buses over there, and then basically ran all the wires up along here, over, and then down into there with the switches and then the negatives over there. I did run 2 main power, and I'll show you down at the here. So I just gotta clean all this up, so it's not a big deal. Inside, 4 lights up top. So switches coming along in there, and I'll go to the other side, but basically 8 switches, speakers up top. Up top there is going to be a cigarette light, cigarette plug, and a USB. Lights up and bottom. Haven't done a whole lot more to the diesel heater, but here's where the cords will go through that, so just have that figured out. Kind of rough because I got to get all the wiring done before I get to the plywood. Inside here just started cleaning up, so there's a lot of protectants. Just so you can see the lights on, off. Added an extra light over here. The shunt for the voltage meter. This is a PowerMax 55 amp. I will tell you this, it does get hot, but the fan has not gone on once, so I don't know. Fuse breaker, 15 amp and a 20 amp. 20 amp's going to go directly through the air conditioning, and then the 15 amp's going to go, one's going to go here, and then what I'm going to do is run a plug with a transfer box for a fusion function box, but I know I said that wrong, but anyway, so that's going to go, and then either I'm going to take the 3-prong outlet into here to run off shore power, or to run off of the inverter there. So I can't do either, so it's either one or the other. So that's basically it. Inside here, the voltage meter, one's the draw, one's the internal, so that was pretty easy to install. Then I have the inverter controls. Not all these are hooked up yet, so basically that's going to be the left outside, right outside, the main ones in here, sorry for the movement, underneath, up top. Then I think one is the, and I forget, I wrote them all down, but so I just got a bunch to do. And then up top, I'll give you an idea. Still a mess. I ran out of time today, but running them all into the cords, into the protectant shields. They're all zip tied underneath too, and then zip tied. The only thing I had to, and a lot of the wires kind of crazy because of the steel framing, the only one that I had to drill through the steel was for the fan. So that's in there. I figured so it wouldn't rattle around, and this could be right, this could be wrong, but that's PL, basically adhesive. Figure it rocks hard, it's gonna stop it from moving around. So between the piece of steel and the wood, why wouldn't that stop it like anything else? Stop it from chafing or rubbing. So that's pretty much it. I think the wiring is pretty much done except on the trailer itself. But that's basically it. Once I can get all this done and wrapped, then I could put the top layer of plywood on top, fiberglass, paint, and I'm going to do a marine top coat, and then that will be it. Then I can get it inspected, build the fenders, and move on. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please click like, please hit subscribe. And yes, I know I'm not a professional by any means, but first time building all this stuff, but learning a lot, and hopefully you guys are as well. And go from there. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.